What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shunts, man. You're watching Shunts TV, and I'm back with another video. But before we get into it, like always, man, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that post notification so you do not miss a video, and also hit that subscribe button and join the grind gang, man. Now, today, man, I don't know what we're gonna do, man. I'm actually on my way to the auction to figure out why can't I log online. I ain't been able to log online to Odessa for like 2 or 3 weeks. It ain't been letting me, so I'm gonna have to go up here and see why I can't log on. And while I'm there, we're gonna see if they got anything, because the auction is actually tomorrow. And yeah, man, so I'm gonna try to check out a couple of cars and find out why I can't be it online for some reason. I don't know what's going on with that, but we're finna hopefully figure that out real quick. Hopefully it ain't too much, because if I gotta do some extra stuff, I probably won't get that finished by tomorrow. So we're gonna see, man. Hopefully we can get it taken care of. But yeah, I don't know if you guys watched my last video. If you, or I don't know if that's actually my last video, but watch my last videos, you would know, man, that I'm calling you guys the grind gang, because the grind does not stop, man. Y'all see me, that's all I do is grind. You know, this car business is a grind, and you guys subscribe to me, so hopefully you guys are grinding too. I'm gonna assume y'all grinding too. So yeah, man, it's only right, man, the grind gang. So with that being said, that's the new squad name, man. That's the new name for you guys, the grind gang, man. So hopefully you guys like that. Leave a comment, man. Let me know what you guys like, man. And if you like it, put GG's in the comment section, man. I don't know why, it just seemed like it go together, bro. GG's, I don't know. I'm gonna be saying that, I tell you that. I'm finna start saying that all the time, GG's, man. But yeah, man, so grind gang, like I said, man, on the way to the auction. Yeah, oh, before we get to the auction though, I got something big about to happen, and I want you guys to be a part of it. I want you guys to let me know what y'all would like to see on the channel, I guess I would say. I've been thinking about getting a Hellcat. We're gonna flip a car, like starting from like $1,000 or $2,000, somewhere in there, and start flipping cars to get a Hellcat and to fix it up. So I've been thinking, man, I've been watching other people's videos and stuff, and I really like trucks too. So I'm kind of in between, man. Should we get a Hellcat? Should we get a Trackhawk? Or should we get us a truck, man, and lift it up, put some wheels on it and stuff like that? I'm really getting into the trucks and stuff too. So if I get a truck though, I think I'm gonna go diesel though. So I don't know, man. Y'all let me know, which one would y'all rather see on the channel? Hellcat, Trackhawk, or truck, man? If it's a truck, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably like a Ram 2500, you know, Cummins, or F250, Sierra 2500. I don't know, man. We just gonna figure that part out. But y'all let me know which one y'all rather see, man. Y'all want to see a lifted truck, or do y'all want to see a Hellcat? I feel like everybody doing the Hellcats, everybody doing the Trackhawks, and a lot of people is doing trucks too, but it's not as many as the Mopars. But I'm a Mopar lover too, so I want to see what you guys think, man. Y'all leave me a comment, man, and let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see us flip into. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not just for me, it's for y'all too. So I want to make sure we make the right decision, and we still got a long time to go, so we still can change it up if we need to. But I don't know, man. I've been thinking hard on that, so y'all let me know what y'all think, man. But we about to get to the actually I gotta stop by the lot real quick, so I'm finna stop by the lot, then we're going to the car lot. Then we're going to the car auction, man. We're gonna go to the auction, so I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, guys, so we made it to the auction, man. They couldn't figure out what's going on with it, so they gave me this number to call. But look at this 2024 M2, bro. This is hard. What y'all think about these M2s? It's manual. I don't know how to drive a manual, but I said I wanted to learn. That's nasty, bro. That's hard. All right, man, so we're about to try to see if they got anything out here real quick. I'm not gonna be here long. I do got other stuff that I gotta do. I do got other stuff I need to do, but I'm about to try to see if they got anything out here real quick. Let's try to see, man. All right, so we got a Maximum right here, 2012, 176 on the miles. Look like got a sunroof. It's real dusty. I wonder if this paint really faded. I can't really tell because there's dust all over it, but it does look like, especially in this front and on this hood, the paint is faded. I can tell. And these cars are known for the paint to fade. Let's see how she sound. Of course. Oh, it's dead. And of course I ain't bringing my jump box. They usually have jump boxes out here. I just gotta go find one. Here go a 2016 Chrysler 300, 171,000 miles. Look like got the big roof in it. Don't look too bad. Look at all the chrome is peeling off though. Everything else looked fairly good though. Of course, it's just dirty. Little body damage right there. I'm glad I seen that. So let's start her up and see. I don't know who Lane Link is. Guess it's a new place. They're starting to run their cars here. And what? And this one, oh, all right, it started finally. Got a tap in it, tick in it. So that's a no, but I'm gonna use this car to drive around real quick to see if they got anything. This is a faster way instead of me walking. Drive down the lanes real quick. Like I said, I'm not gonna be here too long. All right. This thing got a bad tick, bro. Lifters. But is anything? No, I don't got nothing. No. That's why I really don't come to this auction no more, though, man. Like, there's nothing here for me. Usually, like, sometimes I can get me something good, though. I can't say just nothing, but sometimes, bro, a lot of times, there's nothing here for me, bro. Nothing at all. So, yeah, I don't see nothing, man. I don't see nothing. And, bro, you would think this auction is closing down, bro. I know I said that in one of my other videos. You would really think that this place is closing, bro, the way they just don't be having no cars. They go SS right there. Like, this is crazy, bro. They see. There's nothing here for me. They gave me the number to call, and so that's what I gotta do on trying to get it. What y'all think about that Tahoe right there? So if we don't get a truck, I'm thinking about getting something lifted. What y'all think about a lifted Tahoe? I don't know though, man. I think I'd rather do a truck or a Hellcat. It would be a way more exciting. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Now, a truck or a Hellcat would be like way more exciting though, or a Trackhawk, than a lifted Tahoe. I ain't gonna lie. But I do want a Tahoe though, so that might be coming in the future. I said in the future. In the future. But for right now, it's a no. I done dropped my phone. My bad, y'all. So check out this Maserati. I used to want a Maserati, bro, so bad, until I found out they was trash. Look good though. It look good. Hold on, let's see. It's a 2017, and it's the year model that I was gonna get too. I was gonna get the two-door. But man, like, Chrysler got to do a little better with these. I've heard nothing but problems out of them. Nothing but problems. Hold on. All right. So like, this is same buttons and stuff as a Charger, same as your Charger. I mean, really, a lot of this stuff. And it's supposed to be, I mean, when these are brand new, these are expensive. Oh crap, I done burnt out. These are expensive brand new. So you would think they would kind of upgrade the plastics and stuff like that. But I don't know. You would think they would, but that don't mean nothing, I guess. But I kind of still like these though. I'm not gonna lie, I like the look of them, but I don't want the problems that come with it. So that's probably why y'all will not see me with one, because of the issues. I've heard these stay in the shop more than you get to drive them. I mean, it's all right though. What y'all think about these, man? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? It's straight. It's cool. It's a cool car. You know what I'm saying? But I just, like I said, I don't want the problems that these come with. I've heard nothing but horror stories, bro. Nothing but horror stories on these. So I just don't wanna do it to myself. But I do like them. And you can make them sound really good. But I can't do it. Not a fan of blue, but this blue on here looks good. Sound pretty good, but you can make them sound a lot better. I've heard them. But again, can't do it. I won't do that to myself unless I just want to waste. Unless you just want to waste money, don't do it. The value of these depreciate like crazy. Like, it's just, it ain't worth it. I'm not gonna lie. Now, if you want to just look like you got some money on, and you only got a little bit, or you might not even got just a little bit, say less, you might just, oh, somebody got the maximum running. But you ain't got a lot of money, you got a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Or even if you do got a lot, you just want to spend a little bit. This might be a cool little option for a little while. If you don't drive a lot, you just want to pull it out and stunt for a minute and pull it back up, this might be cool for you. But other than that, I don't recommend this, because these are nothing but trouble. Man, this is a junkyard out here, bro. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. Yeah, so maybe that'll be the thumbnail, who knows. But anyway, so let's get out of here, bro. They didn't have nothing.